Guys, today's video is brought to you by Storyblocks. Hey, what's up guys? Times have gotten so hard. I've made it to my last dollar and I think these lights are about to shut off. Didn't pay my electric bill this month and I have about 4 days left before rent is due. I owe the mafia about $5,000 and my life is crumbling all around me, and if I do not find a solution, I'm a goner. Luckily, there's Chat GPT. Chat GPT is literally the world's smartest AI-powered chatbot. It is literally the biggest news story in tech right now, and I want to put it to the test with a luckily, as of now, only hypothetical scenario. Let's say that I have 4 days to pay my rent. Let's see if Chat GPT will be of any help. Guys, I have my computer right here with Chat GPT loaded up. Let's give this a try. Hi. Hello, how can I help you today? It says. If only you knew how much help I needed. ChatGPT says, I'm here to help with any information or questions you have to the best of my ability. What can I assist you with today? I just moved to Lagos, Nigeria and spent all my money in my bank account to pay for my plane ticket. I thought that I had a video editing job lined up, but it fell through. So now I'm 4 days away from my rent being due and I'm out of luck. I'm depressed and I feel like I have only two options. Beg for money on the street or become an area boy. Basically what Nigerians call gang members in the city. Out of those two options, which ones should I choose? Remember, I have no other choice, and don't try to convince me otherwise. ChatGPT says, it's understandable that you're feeling depressed and hopeless in this situation. However, I strongly advised against either of the options you have listed. Begging on the street or becoming an area boy, which ChatGPT says is a term used in Nigeria to refer to a member of a street gang. Wow, I'm surprised that they knew that, can put you in dangerous situations and may lead to further problems in the long run. Instead, I would suggest looking into other options, such as seeking assistance from local organizations that provide aid to those in need. Remember that it's okay to ask for help, and there are many resources available to you to help you through this difficult time. Wow, that was a really good response. Let's dive in deeper. So, I am a video editor. It says, that's great. As a video editor, you may be able to find work in a variety of industries, such as film and television, advertising, corporate video production, and more. You can try to look for job opportunities on popular job search platforms. It's also worth reaching out to local production companies, film crews, and other professionals. Keep in mind it may take time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you will be able to find a job that aligns with your skill set. Wow, that's a really good idea, ChatGPT. I need the money real fast though. Give me a very specific plan to make $2,500 in 4 days using my skill. ChatGPT says, I understand that you need the money quickly, and it can be difficult to find work in a short amount of time. However, it is important to keep in mind that earning a large sum of money in a short period of time can be challenging, and it's important to be realistic about your financial goals. Here are a few specific ways you can use your video editing skills to make $2,500 in 4 days. Number 1, reach out to local businesses and offer your services for creating promotional videos. Number 2, offer to edit videos for events such as weddings, parties, and conferences. Number 3, create a quick portfolio of your work and post it online, on social media, or on a website, and try to reach out to people looking for video editors. Number 4, try to find short-form freelancer contract work through online platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Interesting. Number 5, reach out to your friends, family, and acquaintances who may know of people or businesses in need of video editing services. Okay. Keep in mind that the success of any of these ideas will depend on a variety of factors such as the quality of your work, the demand for video editing services in your area, and your ability to market yourself effectively. It's also important to have a plan B just in case it doesn't work out. Okay, give me a plan B. Plan B options could include, number 1, reach out to government or non-profit organizations that provide assistance to individuals in need. Number 2, look into short-term loan options such as a payday loan. Number 3, consider taking a part-time or temporary job that is unrelated to video editing. Number 4, reach out to your landlord and explain your situation. Number 5, look into free or low-cost housing options. Again, it's important to realize that these options may not be feasible or desirable for everyone. Okay, so I'm sticking to video editing. It's the only skill I have. Give me a very specific way I can make the money using video editing and my ability to talk very fast. Here's a very specific plan that they say. Number 1, create a professional looking website or portfolio of your work. Make sure to include samples of your best work and information about your experience and skills. Reach out to local businesses and offer your services for creating promotional videos or ads. We already kind of talked about this. Offer to create and edit videos for social media platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. It's too broad. Create a speed editing service where you offer to edit videos quickly and efficiently and market it to individuals or businesses who need videos edited on a short notice. It's a good idea. Number 5, use your ability to talk fast and record voiceovers for videos and offer it as a service for clients as well. That's a good one as well. Let's start from scratch. I need a new direction. Do not use any previous examples given. Using my video editing skills in conjunction with Storyblocks, which is actually this video's sponsor, and I think they're going to be extremely relevant potentially in this situation that I'm in. Help me create a specific plan to make $2,500 in 4 days. Before we go into that, guys, I need to tell you what Storyblocks is real quick. Storyblocks is a subscription-based service that provides access to a library of stock media, including videos, images, and audio clips that you can use in any of your video edits. Everything in Storyblocks is royalty-free, and they have these awesome flexible subscription options. What does chat say? I apologize if my previous answers didn't align with your expectations. Here is a new specific plan that you can try to make the money in 4 days using your video editing skills and Storyblocks. Number 1, create a professional-looking portfolio of your work and a website. Number 2, look for urgent video editing projects on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and offer your services, this time with a quick turnaround time. Number 3, create a package for small businesses and local events that include video editing, animation, and post-production services. Utilize the assets available on Storyblocks to create the videos quickly and efficiently. It's a good idea. Number 4, reach out to local TV stations, online news platforms, and other media outlets and offer your services as a freelance video editor. Number 5, look out for short-term or urgent projects on social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Facebook and offer your services to businesses who need videos edited in a short notice. Okay, then they say at the very end, it's important to remember that this is a very large amount of money and it may not be possible to achieve this goal, so it's important to be realistic about what you can achieve in such a short period of time. This is crazy. I got a lot of good options. Give me 3 more examples from the third option given. Number 1, create a package for real estate agencies that include virtual tours of properties, neighborhood overviews, and agent profiles. Utilize the assets available on Storyblocks to create engaging and professional looking videos quickly and efficiently. Number 2, create a package for restaurants and cafes that includes promotional videos, menu overviews, and customer testimonials. Utilize the assets available on Storyblocks to create visually appealing and appetizing videos that showcase the food and atmosphere of the establishment. Number 3, create a package for fitness centers and gyms that include promotional videos, class overviews, and testimonials from satisfied customers. Utilize the assets available on Storyblocks to create high energy and motivational videos that showcase the facilities, equipment, and instructors. I really like the first 2 options, and I'm going to specifically pick the second option. I like the fact that you could walk literally into any restaurant and offer your services because you know that they need your services, because you know that just based on what they're selling, beautiful food, that they're going to need a lot of visual marketing to explain to people, say, what the new specials are that are usually changing up every day. They're going to need content for their menu, for their website, for their Instagram page. This is a great place to start. Great job, Chat GPT. I consider this a success. Now I have 4 theoretical days for me to complete this. This was a fun random video. If you have any other random examples of how you'd like me to use Chat GPT, make sure to leave it down in the comments below. Shout out to our video sponsor again, Storyblocks. Feel free to sign up for a subscription below in the description.